A few days ago, Klarna announced that they are using an AI customer support bot that has solved over 2 million customer support questions and is doing the work of 700 full-time customer support agents. This tweet says that it probably takes millions of dollars and months to set something like that up, so we wanted to prove that it doesn't. Our CEO went on Slack this morning and issued a company challenge to set all of this up in one day, and here's the result. So with the publicly available information about Klarna, we were able to train our bot within a few hours, and now it can answer any questions about Klarna. You can test it out yourself, and here's us testing it out as well. We asked it about the payment options, and you will see a slight difference in style, but still both of the bots answer the same way and you get the same result. We also asked about splitting payments, and again, a similar result. So anyone can set this up. It's all about the data you use to train the model, and after that, everything can be up and running within hours and days, definitely not months or millions of dollars. And you can test it out yourself up to 50 conversations on Tidio.com.